Burpees are boring. I'm gonna show you how to upgrade it to get more out of it. Let's get it. Coach Zach here, and in this video, I'm gonna help you upgrade your burpees. Now, burpees are a classic exercise. And everyone in the military at one point has been hazed with burpees, maybe even high school football teams. And if you're trying to do conditioning workouts or HIIT exercises, most likely you're doing burpees, right? Countless burpees, ad nauseum, probably puking, throwing up at the end of them. Now, while that's all fine and dandy, I'm gonna show you how to make your burpee even better, so then you don't have to do as many, but you get more out of it. But before we get into that, make sure you check out that link down below. I got something for you. My very own Slide Your Way to a Flat Stomach program, and for a limited time, you also get a free pair of sliders. So, don't miss out. Now let's get it. Burpees, right? Traditional burpee. From here, you come down, do a push-up, and then a jump. Yeah, that's fine. Instead of that, we're gonna add to it. So, instead of going right down into the push-up, from here, you're gonna come into a squat, and then you're gonna roll onto your back. Legs go over the head. This is important. Don't turn your head from side to side in this position. And then you're gonna roll up, hands come down, sprawl out, push up, jump, right? I'll show you from the side. From here, nice and slow squat. Arms here to stabilize, legs go overhead. In this position, don't look left to right. And then from here, hands come down, push up, jump. Okay? Now I'll do it full speed for you. You don't have to bring your legs all the way to touch the ground. You could be right here. And that's fine. So that could be perfect right there. And then from here, boom. Use your momentum. Sprawl. So there you have it, Burpee 2.0. Go ahead and like the video. Drop a comment about your experience. Remember, when your legs are going back over your head, don't turn your head from side to side. Don't forget to check out that link down below. Get your free sliders, your own program. Show you how to get that only with sliders. As always, I'm Coach Zach, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.